Good morning everyone. My name is Vansh. I am from Gurugram. I have joined a course in QSPIDER in September 2025 and I got placed in January 2026 and I have done Python full stack course in which I have learned about Python basics, Django REST framework and MySQL databases. It was overall a good experience because all the trainers are very supportive and the environment is very good. It helped me a lot to boost my uh, communication skills and also helped me to boost my basics of Python. And in QSpider there is a thing like we have to do a presentation every day, so it helps me a lot to boost my confidence also. And all the things are very good. Environment of QSpider is very good, and trainers like Himanshu sir has support me a lot to learn Python and also helped me to learn DSA also. And Devashish sir and all the trainers like Java trainers also, they all help you a lot. And it was an overall good experience with QSpider because I was not getting job before that, and when I came to QSpider in hardly 2 to 3 months, I got placed, and that's why all the things are very good.